Just doing so good during the snowing day. Just doing exercising. So this is doing hard work, right? So much hard work and just doing so great. So then just watching outside too, and just watching outside. He's looking the snow from outside, and then working very hard. This is so good. This is so busy. Just can you smile one quick? Very smiling. Yes, good boy. Very nice. Outside is still chilly, very cold, and then outside is full of snow, and that Jesu is doing so good, good exercise, and Jesu using so much good timing off, right? Jesus, so good. Look at this outside, it's full of snow, and Jesu doing so good job, and Jesu is doing so much exercise, and then Jesu is utilizing his time very good, right? Jesu, very good, very nice. Jesu doing great work here. This is doing so good, and almost this is done. Wow, this is so good. Doing